Today I'm going to show you how to make my pattern for my lace blouse. We're going to recreate a pattern out of the t-shirt. We will need our bust circumference, our waist circumference, and our lower hip circumference. We're going to, let's say my bust is 37 plus 6 because I want it to be a loose blouse. 37 plus 6 divided by 4. And then waist 31 plus 6 divided by 4. And then hip 40 plus 6 divided by 4 because we're working on 1/4 of the shirt. First we're going to get on a straight line for our center front and back. It's going to be only one side because our pattern is mirror-like. We're going to mark our neck because we're working with a t-shirt that we like. So we'll mark our neck right here. We're not going to mark this part where the sewing begins. Then we're going to make a straight line over here. Okay. Then straight, because I'm going to be using the scallops. The lace has a scallop and I'm going to be using the lace. I'm going to get it straight. Then remove my shirt. I want to make changes to my shirt. I want this blouse to be longer sleeve. One whole pattern for the front and for the back. So from here, I mark 5 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how wide I want it. And then I mark right there, 5 inch. And then I go down 1, 2, 3, 4 more. That's how and that's how big I want my sleeve. I'm gonna go up 1/4. Then my sleeve circumference, I can get it from here. I can check how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.5. But I want it at 7 inches. I mark my hip right there. It's gonna, 9 inches up is gonna be my waist. My waist is gonna be right there. I have already marked it. A 10 inch from my shoulder. I'm gonna get my bust length. So 10 inches. So I mark my bust circumference and connect that sleeve with your bust, your waist, and your hip. Then we go to mark the neck. I got the neck from my shirt. Mark it right here. This is for the back. So we got our back. Now we're going to mark the neck for the front. I said that we're going to use only one pattern for the back and for the front. We're going to work a little bit more on the back. Okay, so first we're going to mark our neck. This one has to be straight up for at least 1 inch. Then we do this. Marked. We have our back over here, but we want to lift it up a little bit, like for 1/4. And we're gonna lift it up a little bit over here, half of an inch. Because of our back shoulder makes a curve, you're gonna have a little bit bigger than the front. So we're gonna lift it up a little bit over here, like about 1/8, because we have lifted up over here a quarter. We're gonna lift it up a little bit, connect it. So we got the one for the front. So get the one for the front. And we get the one for the back. We're gonna, okay, forget about this one. So we get the front and the back. That's it, doesn't matter.